Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of a. If we have a plus square root of a minus 4 is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So that now we move towards the solution of this problem. The very first thing we are going to do is here first we need to move the term other than radical to the right hand side. So this is a, we move a to the right hand side and it will be written as square root of a minus 4 is equals to 4 minus a. And our next step is that we need to remove this radical sign from left hand side. So for this we will take a squaring on both of the sides. So when we take squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as in this form, and then here in the right hand side we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have x minus y whole square is equals to x square minus 2 times of xy plus y square. So you see here, this is our x and this is our y, but in the left hand side you see here these two and the square root are gone, and after cancellation of these values we will get here the remaining values are so here we obtain a minus 4 equals to, here in the right hand side we use this nice algebraic formula. So according to this formula we write this term as, first you have x square, here our x is 4 becomes 4 square minus 2 times of xy, here our x is 4 and y is a plus y square, so y is a square. And further in the next step we need more simplifications and it will be written as, this is a square, so we have a square and this is minus 2 times of 4 becomes minus 8 times of a, this is 4 square becomes 16, and we move both of these two values from left hand side to the right hand side. This is the positive a, when we move it into the right hand side it will becomes negative a, this is negative 4a becomes positive 4a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need more simplification, and here we add or subtract the like terms. So we have, this is a square minus 8a and minus a becomes here minus 9a, and this is 6 plus 4 becomes here 10, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we have little mistake, this is 4 square becomes 16 and 16 plus 4 becomes a 20. And now you see here this equation will becomes quadratic equation in a variable. So we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and the third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we factorize, or here we use the first method, or in other words we use the factorization methods to solve this quadratic equation. So for this we need to make the factors of this equation, or in other words we just break its middle term, and you see here its middle term is minus 9a, and we write this minus 9a as minus 5a minus 4a, and this is plus 20 is equals to 0. And further in the next step you see here we have, you see that both of these two terms involve a, we take common a from here and we get the remaining values are, from here we get a minus, from here we get 5, and from these two terms we will take common minus 4 and we get the remaining values are, from here we get a minus, after taking common this negative sign this positive is also becomes negative, and this is 4 times 5 becomes 20. When we take common 4, here we get 5 only, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we divide, here we need to take common a minus 5, and you see here a minus 5 factors lies on both of these terms, so that we will take common a minus 5 and we get the remaining values are, from here we get a minus, from here we get 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further, we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a minus 5 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write a minus 4 is equals to 0. So from this case we easily get the value of a is equals to 5. This is the first root of the given equation, and from here we get the value of a is equals to 4. This is the second root of the given equation. So here we get these are the two roots of the given equation, and in the next step we need to verify that is these two roots are solution of the given equation or these two roots are extraneous root. So that for verification of the roots we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is a plus square root of a minus 4 is equals to 4. This is our given question statement, and in the side we will be verify a is equals to 5, and in the side we will be verify a is equals to 4. So here first we verify a is equals to 5. It means that we substitute a equals to 5 into the left hand side and we check its behavior. So when we put it here, it will becomes 5 plus square root of 5 minus 4, and we check that is this equals to 4 or not. And further we have this is 5 plus 5 minus 4 becomes here 1 is equals to 4 or not. This is the our claim, and you see here this is 5 plus we know that a square root of 1 is equals to 1, and this is equals to 4 or not. And you clearly see here 5 plus 1 becomes 6, and you see that 6 is equals to 4. And here we can clearly conclude about that 6 is not equals to 4. This means that both of the sides are not equal when we choose a equals to 5. So we conclude about a is equals to 5 is that a equals to 5 be the extraneous root of the given equation, because it does not satisfy our given question statement. We know that extraneous roots are those roots which does not satisfy our given question statement, and the solutions are those roots which satisfied our given question statement. So now here a equals to 5 be the extraneous root, and now we move towards our second root, and we substitute a equals to 4 into the left hand side, and it will be written as this is 4 plus square root of 4 minus 4 is equals to 4. And here you see that we have this is 4 plus 4 minus 4 becomes 0 square root equals to 4, and we will obtain here 4 equals to 4. So this means that both of the sides are equal. So this shows that a equals to 4 is satisfied our given question statement, so that the solution set of this question is that a is equals to 4. So this is the only one solution of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.